Today I'm going to show you how to make the simplest marinara sauce that there ever is. There's no reason to buy a jarred sauce in the grocery store. So this is how easy it is to make amazing marinara sauce. 1 can, 28 ounces of whole peeled tomatoes, not with anything else in it, maybe basil, but just whole peeled tomatoes. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of basil. I picked it from the garden just a few minutes ago. 4 garlic cloves, and then salt and pepper to taste. Again, we're using our real salt because I love them. And then you can put in pepper, depends on how much spice you like. These are ones I picked today. So you can either do fresh peppers or you can use a dried pepper too. So it's whichever you decide. That is literally how easy it is to make marinara sauce at home. We're going to turn this on. And literally, that's it. One more thing you can do though. If you want to add another layer of flavor, we can add 1/4 cup of diced onions. So let's go over here. This is my pot that I've got ready to go. I'm going to turn the gas on. And then we're going to add some olive oil. Even with the other sauce, if you don't do the onions, you should add a little olive oil before you put your sauce in to heat it up. Marinara sauce too, only 15 minutes. You don't really need to cook it that much at all. It's not a long, slow gravy like Sunday sauce. Okay, so we want to make sure that our oil gets nice and hot before you put your onions in. Don't forget that. Okay, see, you hear the sizzle? Okay, we're going to get our wooden spoon. Because you know, Mama always cooked with a wooden spoon. And you have to be like Mama when you make your Italian sausages. Okay, so you want to cook that so your onions get nice and soft before you put your sauce in. Okay, now our onions are nice and soft. We've waited about a good 3 or 4 minutes cooking them. Now we're going to go ahead and pour our marinara sauce in there. So, you know, there's a lot of goodies in there still, so I like to do a little bit of water in here. Not a lot, just a little. Move it around. Get all the good stuff out. And then literally, you just heat this up, get it to a boil, taste it. You might want to add a little more salt. You might want to add a little more pepper. You might want to add more garlic or another little bit of basil. This is to your taste from this point on. But it is going to be the freshest, most tastiest sauce you will have on your pasta. Cooking at the Castle. Do not forget cookingatthecastle.com. Lots of cool recipes in the book. Come back and join us again. Don't forget to hit subscribe. See you next time.
If it tastes as good as it looks, you're in. Oh my God.
Does it taste like yours?
You got the devil in there. It's hot.
Well, I used a little bit of one of our peppers we just picked from the garden just to give it a little kick.
That's
you know,
great. I love it.
We like
it's
that.
perfect though. We love this. Very,
Awesome.
very nice.
Anything else you
Yeah,
want
how
to do?
about the basil that's there?
This basil?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do?
Well, how about sprinkle that on top? You know, a good cook is always learning something new.
All right, I like this idea. And, you know, a good way to do it is to chiffonade it. So I'm going to
Yes.
just roll it up.
That's a good idea. And if you don't mind, I'm going to continue eating.
You can go right ahead. So then we can just go like this. All right, there. You happy?
Very happy now. Very nice. Every time you cook, you always learn something. And every time you eat, you learn even more.
I love that.